In this video, I'm going to be showing you the location of all 5 green buttons in Blox Fruits on the Jungle Island, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. On the Jungle Island, if you go up to this Blox Fruit gacha, there's going to be one button right here. Another button is going to actually be on this island, so you're just going to have to swim over, and you should be able to find it pretty easily. So there's going to be one on a tree over here. And there's also going to be one very close to where you just swam up. It's going to be somewhere on the rocks. It's a little bit hard to find sometimes just because of where they placed it, but it's very close to where you swim up. It should be over here. There, it's right over here near the dock. And then the final two are actually back on the Jungle Island. So once you swim back, you are going to be able to find it super quickly. So once you swim back, keep in mind we found 3 already. There is another that is on a tree, and then there's another that's on a bush, or in a bush rather. So there should be one somewhere over here, but there is one 100% over in this bush right here. And then the final one should be on the side of a tree over here. They're very, very tricky when they placed these, as it's not a normal place that you're going to be walking around. And as you can see, it's right over here near this chest. And that's the location of all of them. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.